On Friday, Wayne County is expected to choose a new man or woman to lead its sheriff's department following the death of longtime Sheriff Benny Napoleon.
14 candidates are vying for the position, and tonight, 7 investigator Ross Jones is digging into past misconduct claims surrounding 2 of the top candidates.
It's important to us that we get in front of this.
Ray Washington has been a fixture in law enforcement dating back nearly 40 years. He started at the Wayne County Sheriff's Office in 1983 before joining the Detroit Police Department, where he worked in gang squad, narcotics, and violent crimes.
Pretty much dangerous situation.
Washington would return to the Sheriff's Office in 2009, and while he was there, he was the subject of a federal lawsuit filed by a female Wayne County deputy. In her complaint filed in 2017, the woman says that while she was on the job, Washington made unwanted and inappropriate comments and requests. She said he asked her to come into his office and massage his neck because it was bothering him. She complied, she said, rather than risk retaliation. The deputy ultimately left Wayne County for a position in another department, only to return later. And when she did, she said she texted Washington asking if she could be given an assignment in the county's courts division. According to a text message she provided in her complaint, Washington replied, "As soon as I get my massage." The deputy responded, "You better do some deputy training and read the quid pro quo section." Washington responded, "That section is for you," adding later, "Do what you have to do." The deputy claims that when she told coworkers about the text messages, she was retaliated against by Washington and others. Wayne County ultimately settled the lawsuit along with a related case against a different sheriff's official for $85,000 and admitted no wrongdoing. Late today, Ray Washington issued a statement saying, "I am aware of one complaint which Sheriff Benny Napoleon acted immediately at that time to have thoroughly investigated. As a result of the investigation, the complaint was determined to be unfounded and was subsequently resolved to his satisfaction."
This is important. Our future depends on it.
Another candidate for the position is Robert Dunlap. Today, he's the county's chief of jails, but 15 years ago, when he was assistant police chief in Detroit, a woman who claims to have dated him said he harassed her. She went to court and obtained a personal protection order against Dunlap, and in a civil lawsuit, claimed Dunlap retaliated against her for the PPO by having a team of DPD officers pull her over and detain her for 30 minutes. While the woman accused Dunlap of violating the protection order, a Wayne County judge disagreed. Dunlap was sued by the woman and filed his own counterclaim alleging she harassed him. The city of Detroit ultimately settled the case, paying the woman $75,000. Again, Dunlap admitted no wrongdoing. He would not comment today beyond stressing that the case filed against him happened 15 years ago and that a judge ruled he did not violate the personal protection order. Beginning tomorrow, a panel made up of prosecutor Kim Worthy, Judge Freddie Burton, and clerk Kathy Garrett will begin interviewing the 14 candidates vying to be Wayne County's next sheriff. Their decision is expected Friday. We're in Detroit tonight. I'm Ross Jones, 7 Action News.